Today we'll discuss functions of blood. Various vital functions of blood are 1. Nutritive function. Blood transports glucose, fatty acids, amino acids, etc. from gut to various tissues. It also transports gases, oxygen from lungs to the tissue and carbon dioxide from tissues to the lungs. Blood also has excretory function, that is transport of waste products. It transports carbon dioxide to lungs, urea and uric acid to kidneys and bilirubin to liver. It also removes lactic acid from the muscles during anaerobic respiration. It also transports hormones. As we all know, hormones are the secretion from endocrine glands and they are poured into blood and transported through blood to target tissue. Transport of heat. Blood transports heat from deeper tissue to skin and lung for heat loss and it maintains body temperature. Maintenance of pH. Plasma proteins in the plasma and hemoglobin, they are very good blood buffers. Homeostatic for water, pH and electrolyte concentration. Blood forms internal environment which is also known as milieu interior for the cell. Internal environment in terms of volume, composition, concentration, pH and temperature. All these are regulated to normal physiological limits and these limits are within physiological range. This mechanism is known as homeostasis. Protective functions. Neutrophils and monocytes in the blood engulf foreign bodies, that is phagocytosis. Lymphocytes, they are responsible for acquired specific immunity. Eosinophils, they are important for detoxification, disintegration and removal of foreign proteins. Blood is also chemical for communication because it transports hormones, antibodies, enzymes and other various substances. It is also known as chemical for communication. Blood also regulates water balance because water content of the blood is interchangeable with interstitial fluid and this helps in the regulation of water content of body. Regulation of body temperature. As blood has high specific heat and it regulates balance between heat loss and heat gain. Blood also has high heat of conductivity and this takes the heat from organ and uniform distribution of this heat throughout the body is carried out. Also blood has high latent heat of evaporation. So this heat is evaporated by blood. Another function is storage function. Blood stores nutrients, electrolytes, vitamins, etc. So these are all the functions of blood. Let us revise. 1. Nutritive function. 2. Transport of gases. 3. Excretory function, that is transport of waste products. 4. Transport of hormones. 5. Transport of heat. 6. Maintenance of pH. 7. Homeostatic for water, pH and electrolyte concentration. 8. Protective function. 9. Chemical for communication. 10. Regulation of water balance. 11. Regulation of body temperature. 12. Storage function. Along with this, functions of plasma proteins, they also are the functions of blood. So this is all about functions of blood. Thank you.